In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. A lot of people have been asking about this. Now I've decided to make a video that will guide you accordingly. As usual with this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, let's open the Spotify app. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. And remember, the shuffle option works when you are listening to an playlist or a given album. Okay, now let me select this playlist here. Okay, as you can see, when I play music right now, there will be automatic shuffling of our music, but we want to turn off the shuffling feature. Now look at this thing with the cross arrows. This is the button for shuffling. When you click on it like this, you can shuffle all the music through smart shuffle, or you can turn off the shuffle. Now currently I've turned on the shuffle, but when I tap on it like this, I'll be able to turn off the shuffle on Spotify. Now music will be played in order. The music will be played in order. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.